Girl, I know starting this YouTube channel has been a dream of yours for a long time. And you are tired of sitting on the sidelines watching other people do exactly what it is that you aspire to do and aspire to be. So, girl, it's time to put your big girl panties on and press record and get started, okay? Okay, so honestly, I'm just about to talk, and my brain is going to send me the exact perfect hook for today's video. And the reason I trust my brain to do that is because I've put in the reps for over 133 days now, or 132 days now, and I trust in myself to get the thing that I'm trying to say to you today. All right, so when I'm fresh out of ideas, I really rely on my intuition. And for some reason, when I rely on my intuition, I'm usually right. Not right in the sense of it's wildly successful, but right in the sense of I followed my instinct and therefore the energy followed, and the energy necessary to put yourself out there is going to be required. Because if you have any visibility issues, right, you are afraid of being online and being perceived, or you have not necessarily fear around it, but maybe hesitation, you're going to have to grow into the confidence to still proceed with what it is you're trying to do, even though those hesitations and fears are still lingering in the back of your mind. That comes from putting in the reps, right? It doesn't come overnight. And I can't say this 100% sure, but I still believe that the world's greatest performer, being Michael Jackson, still has some level of shyness, even though he can shut a whole world down in the best way possible, right? And so that's just what I think. And so if you are interested in coming online and using the the most available tool to promote your perspective, to build a brand, to help the world, honestly, because like we need more people helping the world, right? So if you want to do that, and you know the four ways to get people to build, to buy into you, or to buy into what it is you're trying to do, is either cold outreach, warm outreach, content, or paid ads. And if you don't have any money, you don't even know your leads, you need to develop yourself and develop your speaking skills and get better at speaking about what it is you're working on. Building a YouTube channel or any type of online presence, specifically maybe a social media that's video front facing plus some type of written form. And you can start off with either or, whichever is your strong point. For me, I started off writing newsletters for about 9 months before I started this YouTube channel, and just to get better with my voice, and get better with what it is I'm teaching, what it is I'm leading, why I'm the person to teach that. Because based off my experiences and the things that I study, coupled with my interest in really helping myself and you build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, I find that to be a really good combination. So that's what I did. I just trusted myself to start speaking for today's video, and that's what came out. But I didn't just get this overnight. This has, I practice, and I have uploaded 132 or 33 videos in the last 132 or 33 days, right? So I put in the reps. And so it's, if you're watching someone that inspires you and you feel like I could never be at her level, like she is like light years ahead of me, you have to consider the fact that you're starting at but you started at conditioning, and she's not only past the starting line, but she has developed over her lap as a person mentally, as a person physically. You know what I mean? So, for one, don't compare yourself. Two, find people that you admire, and you're going to copy like an artist. However, I say that with caution because everything has been copied, right? They say nothing new is under the sun. A creation was created from an inspiration from another creation, right? And so I don't believe that you shouldn't be inspired by other people, but I don't think you should copy and paste. Because what makes everything, and I don't know how many YouTube channels there are, right? So say for instance, there are 10 million YouTube channels, probably more than that, but I will say 50 million different YouTube channels. And the fact that if all of us, if every YouTube channel copied one another, who would be on YouTube? Not me, not you. Definitely not me, definitely not you, right? But the simple fact that all you have to do is inject your uniqueness, your unique perspective, or your stance on whatever it is you're doing, whether you are crocheting clothes for your Barbie dolls, or you are, mapping out the math necessary to land on the moon in the next few years, you have to inject more of you. And when you inject yourself, your point of view, your intelligence, your uniqueness, it makes your channel special. And so people will come and watch and listen to what you have to say, even though there are other channels crocheting baby doll clothes, Barbie doll clothes, and there are other channels calculating the math necessary to land on the moon. Whichever end of the perspective you live, all important, neither is more important than the other. You being you is what matters the most. Okay. So, yes, you may come with fear and hesitation about being perceived online, and you may want to copy because you see that copying seems to get the job done and have a lot of views. And so you want to mimic what you see someone else that you admire do. But what I want you to do while you are looking at the people or persons are, inspirational to you, inspirational to you, then you're gonna take notes, right? So what I know is the people who really get me, who like I watch one of their videos and I immediately subscribe because they hooked me in the beginning. I'm like, what is it about that? So for years, of course, I didn't care, but now that I'm currently building my YouTube channel, and if you would like to help me out, my name is Spivey J, and on my channel I talk about mindset mastery so that we can all transform our life to get more fulfillment out of this life. I would truly appreciate it if you just hit that subscribe button and just a little click. It would mean so much to me. But no, so I, of course, have been subscribing to YouTube videos because I've been watching them since 2006, right? All right. And so I started my first YouTube channel in 2014, 2012, but I didn't release like my first official video until 2016, which is when I was living overseas in Shenzhen, China. That's a different channel. But what I'm saying is I've been on YouTube for a long time. And so now that I'm consistently like adamant about building a channel and building this perspective online in front of you, um, I, of course, I'm analyzing the people's videos who I admire. And I'm like, how the heck did he or she, because I don't discriminate, I watch all type of people from all type of places in the world with all type of everything. And I realized the people who get me good, they immediately know how to speak to my pain point or something that I can relate to immediately, or something I want to relate to, right? So it's never like, oh, look at me, I'm in the Gucci store with my, okay, cool, like that's cute, but that's not relevant to me. Or, no shade to if you like luxury bags. I honestly have never been into a luxury. Is it really luxury? I mean, somebody just made a strong brand. I have never. Let me not sound like a hater, but no. Anyways, that's not relevant to me, and that's okay. Cool. We don't all have to be the same and look alike. Again, that's what makes this all interesting. Okay, so how the heck did they get me to subscribe to their channel, sign up for their email, and buy their stuff? And I just met them. This is like their first or second video. They do a really good job with connecting with you immediately. And I don't think that's something that you're born with. Some people think, some people have a little more edge than others, but I think that's something you have to practice. I say that to say, I don't want you to shy away from how you think you are being perceived, right? I want you to know that that's a muscle, okay? And it's built through repetition, just like all the other muscles, okay? We're going to sound like I'm saying the same thing over and over, but all the things that you want to become and build requires repetition, and you're not going to be confident when you start. As a matter of fact, it's going to take a while for you to be confident. And like I said, I'm pretty sure if Michael Jackson were here, or the world's greatest performer, in my opinion, is Michael Jackson, if he were to be on stage, I'm pretty sure his last show, he still had some level of butterflies, hesitation. It's probably why he was a perfectionist, because he wanted to be perceived as the world's greatest, which he did a really good job doing. All right, so anyways, back to what I'm saying. So don't think that because you don't have it on day 30, day 100, day 200, whatever day you're on, remember that your journey is unique to you and your timeline is different from other people. So don't quit. And I know that sounds like motivational. Hoorah. Okay, easy to say, don't quit. But the reason you shouldn't quit is because the prize or the information that you're looking for is on the other side of you not quitting. So when I say don't quit, it's like, well, do you really want this? Do you want this goodie bag or no? Do you want this prize or no? Do you want insert whatever it is you actually want or no? And that's the question you have to ask yourself. For me, I really want what I'm working towards to work out. So I'm going to keep showing up, whatever, despite how I feel, despite how I feel, despite where I am too, because I want to still show up because one, it's something that I'm learning to enjoy, and I found enjoyable parts of it. Right, the whole thing isn't going to always be enjoyable, but find something that you enjoy about what you're doing, and just keep spamming that and get better at all of it. Wanted to let you know that, girl, I know starting this YouTube channel has been a dream of yours for a long time, and you are tired of sitting on the sidelines watching other people do exactly what it is that you aspire to do and aspire to be. So, girl, it's time to put your big girl panties on and press record and get started, okay? Getting started is how you get going, and getting going is how you get to your destination. But if you never start, you never get going, you're never going to get to your destination, or at least point A of the journey, right? Point B of the journey. On the way to the destination, there are several points that you're going to come to. But I just want to just put that out there to anyone who's listening, who's interested in building any presence online. You're going to have to put the reps in. When I wrote my first probably 15 newsletters, it took me forever. It took me forever to write those newsletters. Now, I'm not saying I BS my newsletters and put out junk, but I definitely have built a skill set over the last year plus a little bit of change. And I am a better writer, and I have a better way of articulating myself. Even in my videos, my first videos, I cut out so many and I'm not saying I don't say anymore, or that there's something wrong with It's just that the more that you do it, the better you become. And it's just as simple as that. So when we look at people who are Olympic champions, when we look at people who are mathletes and they can win spelling tests and debates, and they just have won these, they've put in the reps, they've practiced to themselves, they looked in the mirror, they practiced, they're writing, they're thinking critically, they're not outsourcing their creativity, and they're not crowdsourcing their opinions. They are forming their opinions and putting their research against their opinions and reiterating whatever they feel has a little hole in it or that can be stronger. Okay, so that's what we have to do if we want to be a strong writer, if you want to be a strong speaker, if you want to be strong in whatever level of expertise that you're in. You're going to have to practice and not quit. And when I say practice, it's because the reps is going to inform the data that you're going to collect. And that data is going to directly let you know what you should improve upon. But all of that said, girl, still have some freaking fun. There's no way you should be pursuing whatever it is you're pursuing and be miserable. Have some fun, find some enjoyment in it. For me, what I've been enjoying is making these funny YouTube thumbnails. It cracks me up because, one, I know they aren't perfect, but I'm getting better slowly. So I'm doing it and learning while I'm showing you at the same time. It was so funny. I got a comment today. I actually replied to it. He said, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not saying it verbatim, I'll put it up there, but something to this tone of, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw your thumbnail, I thought you was I Show Speed. And I was like, yo, that's so funny, because I like cut my forehead off, and I like, anyways, girl, just find something fun about it. Keep it going. Don't quit, because you need the data to inform you about what your next steps are going to be and what you should change, improve upon, or what you should double down on. And remember, if you don't know what your why is, start with try. Okay, I want you to start with try. That means to do it. All right, and if you are not sure, I go a little deeper in the video I'm going to put here at the end. So yeah, click that video, start with try, and let's get going. It's enough space for all of us, right? And your goals deserve to be realized. Your dreams deserve to be realized. Don't keep thinking about that dream life. I want you to live it. You got to take steps towards it. How you jump timelines is by taking action, immediate action, right? Like, yeah, I'm just going to put this out there. Boom. You just jump the timeline. And you just keep spamming that by doing it over and over again. Spam it like how Shein or these clothing companies and these people that want you to buy their stuff spam your email, spam whatever it is you want to do like that. Because even if you don't buy anything every single day, they send you something, you have them top of mind. And that's how you do it. All right. All right. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are ready to build more momentum in your life, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. We are building our rich life on purpose over here, girl. Mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. All four. We're not separating them. We are doing all the things. We're getting all the things together. So come on over, join the community. I would truly appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Aspire J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right? Peace.